Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add video in an Odoo website. Adding videos to your Odoo websites is a great way to make your pages more interactive and engaging. Videos can help explain your products, introduce your company, demonstrate features, or provide useful information to your visitors in a more visual way. To get started, open your Odoo website and navigate to the page where you want the video to appear. Once you're on the correct page, look to the top right corner and click Edit. This will switch the page into website editing mode, which allows you to make visual changes directly on the page without needing to work with code. One of the benefits of Odoo's website builder is that you can customize your pages using a simple drag-and-drop interface. This makes it easier for users to add content and update their websites without requiring technical knowledge. If you don't immediately see the editing options, give the page a moment to fully load, so all the website builder tools appear properly. After you enter editing mode, move your attention to the panel on the right-hand side. This is the editing pane, where Odoo provides different website elements you can add to your page. In that panel, click on the Blocks tab. The Blocks section contains all the pre-built content components you can use, such as text sections, images, banners, and of course, video elements. This makes it easy to build or customize a page by simply dragging items into place. These blocks help you create professional-looking website pages faster because you can add different sections without designing everything from scratch. You can combine videos with text, images, and call-to-action sections to create more effective landing pages. Next, find the video block in the list of available blocks. Once you see it, click and drag it onto your page. Then drop it in the exact location where you want the video to appear. Try to place it in a section that fits naturally with the rest of your content, so the page stays clean and easy to follow for visitors. For example, if you're adding a product video, placing it near the product description can help visitors understand the product better. If you're adding a company introduction video, placing it near your homepage content can help build trust with new visitors. If needed, you can usually reposition the block slightly until it looks right. As soon as the video block is in place, you'll be asked to paste your video link URL. Copy the link to the video you want to embed, then paste it into the field provided. Odoo supports several popular video platforms, including YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Facebook, and Instagram. That flexibility is helpful because it means you can use content from whichever platform you already have your video hosted on. Using an external video platform can also be beneficial because it reduces the need to upload large video files directly to your website server. This can help with website performance while still allowing visitors to watch your content smoothly. Once the link is pasted in, click Add. Odoo will then insert the video into the page using that URL. At this point, your video should appear directly in the section where you place the block, making it part of your website content. After adding the video, it's a good idea to preview the page and check how it looks on different screen sizes. Make sure the video fits properly on both desktop and mobile devices, so every visitor gets a good experience. And that's it! You've successfully added a video to your Odoo website. This is a simple way to make your page more engaging, whether you're sharing a product demo, a company introduction, or any other visual content. Videos can improve user engagement by keeping visitors on your website longer and helping them understand your message more clearly. A well-placed video can also support your marketing goals by making your website content more informative and easier to consume. After adding the video, take a quick look over the page to make sure the placement feels right and the video displays properly. Once everything looks good, you can save your changes, and your visitors will be able to watch the video directly from your Odoo website.